Today we'll be making a salad, specifically a Feta Cheese Greek Salad. If you're interested in our salad recipes, be sure to check out our salad playlist that we have available on our channel. Before we get started with today's video, remember to subscribe to Baking Soda Kitchen so that you'll be notified every time we post a new recipe. Be sure to click the bell as well. Okay, now I'll show you the ingredients required for this recipe. Let's get straight into it. The ingredients required for this recipe are pretty simple. These ingredients are only for the salad dressing. So first we're going to need some olive oil, pepper, which I'm going to freshly grind. You can add as much or as little pepper as you want, brown sugar, salt, rice vinegar. So again, as I mentioned before, this is only for the salad dressing. So now I'm going to start off by pouring some olive oil. Be generous with the olive oil because this is our dressing. Next up, I'm going to add the salt, and our sugar, and then give this a good mix. Okay, now I've mixed the salt and sugar well into the oil. Next we're going to add our freshly ground pepper, okay, just give that a good mix. And then let's add our last ingredient for the dressing, our rice vinegar. Just a teaspoon or so will be more than enough. Okay, now just mix that all in. Now our salad dressing is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Now it's time to assemble our salad. Okay, so the ingredients for a salad is always customizable. So the main important ingredients are the feta cheese, definitely, because this is a feta cheese Greek salad. So I'll start off by showing the ingredients. First, we need some baby greens. These are just a mixture of many greens. Next up, as I just showed you, some feta cheese, cucumber, capsicum, any color should be just fine, sliced onions, these are red onions, tomatoes that I have cubed, and then some sliced olives. Okay, now let's get started assembling our salad. First, I'm going to take our baby greens and put them inside my salad bowl. My feta cheese is next up on the line, but don't add this because if you add this now, all your cheese will break. So add this at the end after you've added the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so I'm going to add my cucumber, the yellow capsicum, the red onions, tomatoes, and the sliced olives. So after all this is added, we're just gonna give it a quick toss. It's a little bit difficult to mix. Okay, I've mixed it in well now. All of it is well combined. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to add our salad dressing that we prepared earlier. Just drizzle it over. And then give it a good mix again. Okay, now I've mixed it in well. It's time to add our last few ingredients before this salad is almost ready. So now over here I have 2 lime that I'm going to squeeze over this salad. But if I squeeze it directly, the seeds are going to fall in as well. So I've brought a lemon squeezer for me. So in the lemon squeezer, let's add the lime. And push until all the juice comes out. Now just give it a good mix. Okay, this is perfect. And I'm going to add our last ingredient, the feta cheese. So I'm just going to save maybe 2 pieces for me to decorate the salad on top. You don't really have to, you can just add all in here. Alright, now let's give it a good mix. Make sure the feta doesn't break. Our salad, our feta cheese Greek salad is now ready to be plated. I'll show you the plating. Okay, I've brought a nice serving platter here, and then now I'm just gonna take the salad and plate it right in the middle. Okay, that's perfect. And then we're just gonna put some capsicum on the top. Some of them didn't fall in. Tomato, cucumber. Okay, now we're gonna top it off with our feta cheese again. The feta cheese that I saved earlier, I'm gonna use to top off the salad. Because after all, it's a feta cheese Greek salad, so we need to show them that there is feta in this salad. Now that's perfect. And our delicious feta Greek salad is now ready. Take a look. And it was super easy to make. You didn't even have to go to the kitchen for that. It doesn't even require any cooking, and it's a fresh salad. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're interested in salad recipes, be sure to check out our playlist, Salad Recipes, on Baking Soda Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye for now.